So whenever you have to go for the left turn, you have to watch for oncoming traffic and you have to watch if somebody is crossing on the left hand side. So when you're waiting for the left turn, so that's the time you have to scan your intersection. It's not like when your light is green and then you will look for the things. So get ready now, and once your light is green, you will proceed according to that. So now we can see that there is an oncoming traffic. We will give them priority. So take your time, give them priority. Before turn, check your left side blind spot and move when it's safe to do so. Turn into your lane, and after making left turn, we must have to switch back to the right when it's safe to do. So do it only when it's safe to do so. If you feel that it's not safe to do, don't try to attempt the lane change. So at some places, maybe you have to make S turn and you will get advanced green. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to proceed over there. So here you can see that there is no oncoming traffic and nobody's crossing on the left hand side. So we can check our blind spot and we can finish our turn without any stop. So turn into your lane and then speed up, have a good control on the car and switch back to the right when it's safe to do so. So right lane is a driving lane and left lane is a passing lane. So we always drive in a driving lane. Scan intersection. So whenever you pass any intersection, try to scan both sides. I'm gonna make another left turn. So left signal on. We'll do a lane change. And at the upcoming traffic light, we will make a left turn. So left signal on. Try to enter as soon as you can into your lane. Don't enter from the last minute. So try to look from far. So I can see from far there is a vehicle coming up. So I have to give them priority and we will wait in the center. We will let those cars go first. And once it's clear, check left side blind spot and finish your turn. Your target has to be, you have to bring your car near to the yellow line. Make another left turn. So you can see that there is a blinking arrow. So that the arrow means we can go first, but it turns to yellow. So that means we have to come into the center and we have to wait, and we will move only when it's safe to do so. So make sure that you will take your time, you will move only when it's safe to do so, and before turn must check your left side blind spot. Keep checking your surroundings, check your left side blind spot as well, because maybe somebody's coming on an e-scooter, e-bike or anything, so that you can see them. After this vehicle, we are good to go. So left side blind spot check, and we will finish turn nicely. Turn into the first lane on the left hand side, and then we have to switch back to the right. So do it only when it's safe to do so. A lot of people, they do a mistake in the test, they get failed. So I'm gonna make a left turn again at this traffic light. So there is no oncoming traffic, so that means I can finish my turn, but there is pedestrians, so we have to give them priority. So whenever you have to make left turn, you have to watch for the oncoming traffic and you have to watch if somebody is crossing on the left hand side or not. If they're crossing, you have to give them priority and turn into your lane. So try to come into your lane as soon as possible and don't wait for the last minute. So might be here I have to make an S turn so that my visibility can be good. So now I can see that there is an oncoming traffic. I will take my car a little bit to the left and then straight, so that in case if somebody will come in the front line, so they will not block my view. Keep checking your surroundings and move only when it's safe to do so. So now we're good to go and we can finish our turn. Check your rear view mirror once you're done with your turn. At this traffic light, I'm gonna make a left turn again. So here might be I have to make S turn again so that my visibility can be good. So we'll take my car a little bit more to the left and then straight up, so that in case if somebody will come in front line, they will not block our view. And check your surroundings, make sure that you will check your rear view mirror, you will check your left side blind spot, and move only when it's safe to do so. Take your time, don't be in a rush. At the turns, go slow, don't go fast. Come into your lane as soon as you can. Now I can see that there is 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. So light gonna turn yellow, so I have to slow down and stop. So never ever try to catch yellow light. It's better to slow down and stop. If you will look from far, you can get an idea. So whenever we drive, we try to look far, don't look near. The more far you will see is gonna be more easy for you to drive. Now you can see that we have 4 circles in this traffic light, so might be I will get advanced green. So if I will get advanced green, that means I can go and everybody else gonna stop. So it's a blinking arrow as well. Check your rear view mirror, keep scanning your surroundings, check both sides. Prepare yourself. It's not like last minute and you will see and you will move. So be ready, keep eye on the light. So we didn't get advanced green, so that means might be we have to go in the middle and we have to watch for oncoming traffic. So we will make S turn here so that we can see the oncoming traffic correctly. So wait for your light to get green. Now I can go in the center, take your car more to the left, watch, no oncoming traffic, so we can finish our turn. So there is an oncoming traffic, I have to give them priority, so we will wait in the center. So if there is an oncoming traffic, we have to give them priority. Whoever is making left turn, they always have to wait. Now it's clear, check blind spot and finish your turn. Speed limit is 50 here, so whenever you will make right turn, left turn, the first sign gonna come is a speed sign. So whenever we have to make left turn, we have to watch for oncoming traffic and we have to give them priority. And if somebody is crossing on the left hand side, we have to give them priority as well. So here I can see that there is no oncoming traffic. So I have to look on the left hand side if somebody is standing to cross or not, so I can see that there is nothing. So that's the easiest left turn. Once my light will be green, I can finish my turn and I will just scan once. After making left turn, as I told you, make sure that you will come to the right lane, because right lane is a driving lane and left lane is a passing lane, so we always drive in driving lane. This traffic light, I'm gonna make left turn again. So what we have to do, maybe we have to do S turn here. So I will take my car more to the left hand side and then straight up your wheel so that you can see oncoming traffic. So give priority to oncoming traffic and move only when it's safe to do so. So he was not giving signal, so now he is into turning lane and I can finish my turn too. So another left turn. As I told you, we have to give priority to oncoming traffic and if somebody is crossing on the left hand side. So here in this intersection, I can see that there is a vehicle in front of me. He's not giving signal, so that means he is gonna go straight. So I have to give him priority. And there is nobody crossing on the left hand side, so after this vehicle I will be good to go once my light is green. So we'll go in the middle and we'll check left side blind spot and then we can finish our turn. Left side blind spot check. Try to come into your lane as soon as you can. Try to stay near to the yellow line. A lot of people, they do a mistake in the test. They stay more to the right. So try to make sure that you will stay more to the left. So now there is somebody crossing on the left hand side. I will take my car more to the left so that I can see oncoming traffic easily. So there is a traffic coming up. I will let them go first. And once the way is clear, then I will finish my turn. So now this guy is also into turning lane, so I can finish my turn. Always take your time and move only when it's safe to do so, because you never know that maybe somebody is giving signal and all of a sudden they can come straight. So keep eye on them. As you can see that in this traffic light we have 4 circles, so we might can get advanced green again. So if it's advanced green, that means we can go and everybody else gonna stop for us. Still you have to scan both sides, and before turn you must check your blind spot. So now we have advanced green, so we can finish our turn. Check left side blind spot and turn into your lane. I'm going to make another left turn, and from far I can see that we have a flashing light, flashing green arrow. But let me see if I will reach there and it's still green. If it's not still green, I will slow down and stop in the center. So it's still green, I can finish my left turn and turn into your lane. I hope this video gonna help you guys a lot, because I'm making so many turns in this video and all the turns are different than each other. I hope you will learn a lot from this video. Please like and subscribe my channel as well. As you can see that here we have advanced green, so that means we can finish our turn. So now I can see that my way is clear so far, and the vehicle is far, so I can check my blind spot and I can finish my turn. So whenever we have to make left turn, we always have to give priority to oncoming traffic, and if somebody is crossing on the left hand side, and once the way is clear, then you will finish your turn. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching.